We won't be needing that no more.
Thank you for your service, guys, but it's time to upgrade. This is the last time you're going to be hearing the 68 Suburban sounding like this. It really doesn't sound bad, but we're going to be messing with the exhaust system. We're going to switch it up a little bit. Right now we've got a 2-inch diameter piping with the factory style mufflers, and we're going to be switching it out to a 2.5-inch diameter piping with Black Widow mufflers. We ready to get started?
Yep. Actually got started. I just got it up in the air on jack stands. About to start taking the old exhaust off.
Nice.
Yep.
Yep.
I was sitting here looking
The
at
old
the
exhaust is coming off. That way we can put this new exhaust on.
Got these nice Black Widow Venom series mufflers. Hopefully they sound pretty good.
And what are these?
You didn't know about those?
Nope.
Don't mind those. Everybody knows you can't put mufflers on without putting headers on too. You got to do the full exhaust, not just part of the exhaust.
Yeah. Can't argue with that.
I don't know if those headers are gonna fit though. I got them from a guy I work with. For a LS swapped S10. So, being that it's a tighter fit on a S10 chassis with a LS in it, I'm hoping that they'll fit the C10.
And yeah, this is our 68 Suburban, if you guys are new to the channel. It's got a K-swap.
K-swap! This ain't a Honda, baby.
I know. It's got a 5.3 LS.
K-swap the world.
K-swap the world. Even the Suburban.
Too heavy for a K-swap.
I know. I don't know why I said that. Yeah, guys, our current projects got scooted over to the side for now.
Working on the drag hatch is fun and all, but it's nice to take a break and work on other stuff that's more fun.
Oh, yeah. And plus, we really want to just enjoy the Suburban. Like, it's great, but we get so choked out from the fumes. It's really hard to drive it for a long time.
Yeah, the current exhaust is dumped right at the rear axle. So when you drive it, or you're sitting, well, when you're driving it's not so bad. When you're sitting at a stoplight idling, you get a lot of fumes.
Yeah. It's not very nice.
A lot of exhaust fumes, so we're gonna fix that.
We're fixing it
better at the same time.
It's not late yet, so we're gonna run this thing open header just to see what it sounds like. Awesome.
Man, that thing sounded so good.
Yep, the e-brake's pulled.
Here, let me see the camera. Okay, here's our current exhaust. It's kind of hard to see, but there's the manifold, exhaust, coming, going, dumped back here by the rear. There's a muffler, goes, and it's dumped right there. Not much of an exhaust. We won't be needing that no more. Not where we're going.
Thank you for your service, guys, but it's time to upgrade.
Time for the upgrade. Whoop, whoop.
All right, let's go ahead and get this new one on. What's up, guys? We're in the middle of getting the exhaust mocked up.
Mocking up the exhaust.
We're mocking everything up. But I wanted to show you guys the mufflers.
Yep, that's right. We welded the mufflers together. They're both going together on one side, on the driver's side, so because of the X pipe that we're putting in. So we ended up just welding the mufflers together. That way we can just hang them together as one unit to make it a little bit easier.
Yeah.
So yeah, that happened.
Alrighty, y'all. We've got the new exhaust system mocked up to the mufflers so far. It's only tacked together. We still need to weld it all the way, so it's going to have a lot of exhaust leaks. But we're going to go ahead and fire it up really quick and see how it sounds. Just get a little... We're just going to hear the new mufflers and kind of get a preview of what it's going to sound like.
Ready?
Ready. Fired up. Those sound so mean. I loved it.
Definitely make the cam sound way better.
Oh yeah. I love how that sounded.